You know the Claude API exists, but turning it into a reliable, production application means mastering messages, tools, agents, security, and cost. This course gives you the exam-aligned skills to build and ship real Claude-powered systems. By the end, you'll design multi-step workflows, connect external tools through MCP, optimize for latency and cost, and harden your app against prompt injection, all while preparing for the Claude Certified Developer exam. You're learning to design and build secure Claude applications. If you also work with Microsoft 365, you might want to explore building AI agents that automate administration tasks. This course covers creating agents for identity management, Teams, Exchange, SharePoint, licensing, security, and compliance using Microsoft Graph, Python, and Azure AI. It includes hands-on labs and a capstone where you'll build a multi-agent administration platform. In Messages API mechanics, you call the API directly, controlling system prompts, multi-turn conversations, and stop sequences to shape Claude's output. Claude Application Design has you architect a complete application, separating prompt logic from business logic and managing conversation state across sessions. Tool Use End-to-End connects Claude to external functions. You define schemas, handle tool call loops, and parse structured responses. MCP Server Development takes tools further. You build a model context protocol server that Claude discovers and calls at runtime. Agents and workflows chains Claude calls into autonomous loops. You orchestrate planning, reflection, and multi-step execution. Streaming, vision and batch processes real-time text streams, analyzes images, and submits asynchronous batch jobs for high-throughput use cases. Model selection and cost teaches you to pick the right Claude model for latency, accuracy, and budget, then measure and project your spend. Prompt caching and optimization order cuts latency and cost by caching reusable context and ordering requests to maximize cache hits. Prompt and context engineering refines your system prompts with few-shot examples, chain of thought, and dynamic context assembly. Security and safety hardens your application against prompt injection, enforces content filters, and implements human-in-the-loop approval. Eval, testing and debugging builds a regression suite. You write assertions, diff outputs, and trace failures back to prompt or code. Claude Code Operation puts you inside the CLI agent. You steer Claude Code with custom rules, hooks, and memory across sessions. Capstone, ship a production Claude application, pulls everything together as you deploy a complete, tool-using Claude app to a live environment. Every module runs in a shared lab runtime, so you can jump straight into the Messages API. Let's start there.